Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to get Windscribe Pro for free. Windscribe is a VPN service that helps you browse securely, access restricted content, and protect your online privacy. With this method, you can use Windscribe Pro without adding any credit card or debit card details. Let's get started. First, go to the Windscribe or add the Windscribe extension to your Chrome browser. Once you've installed the extension, click on the Sign Up option. You will need to create an account. For this, you can use a temporary email service like TempMail, your regular email address, or any other email service such as Hotmail or Yahoo Mail. Next, choose a username and a password. Email is optional, but I recommend adding one for account recovery purposes. Solve the CAPTCHA and click on Create Account. Once your account is created, you may receive a welcome email from Windscribe. To verify that your account is now Pro, go to the My Account section and claim the voucher. Click on it, write the voucher code, then tap on Claim. You should see the Pro status next to your account details. Now, while Windscribe Pro is a good option, but I recommend trying NordVPN instead. NordVPN is faster, more secure, and offers better features like a strict no-logs policy, a larger server network, and advanced security options. With NordVPN's 30-day money-back guarantee, you can essentially try it for free. If you're not satisfied, you can request a refund before the 30 days are over. Click the link in the description to get started with NordVPN at a great price.